Hello friends, salut mes amis. Welcome to my channel all about life and French core. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne all about life and French core. Today we will learn conjugation of RE verbs, which belong to third group verbs. First one is prendre, which means to take. Prendre. You will conjugate it as je prends, tu prends, il or elle prend. Nous prenons, vous prenez, il or elle prennent. Next is vendre, which means to sell. Vendre. You will conjugate it as je vends, tu vends, il or elle vend. Nous vendons, vous vendez, il or elle vendent. Keep in mind the conjugation of RE verbs with il or elle, as some verbs ends with an extra n, like over here in prendre. Rest of the conjugation is same. You will use the rule of SSD for DRE verbs. As you can check over here, we will add DS, DS, D, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now try conjugating these RE verbs. You can ask your doubts in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Today's key sentence is je voudrais, which means I would like. If you want to use this sentence, you will say je voudrais manger. You will add a verb or noun. Merci. À bientôt.